Hello, grade 4 C. Welcome back again to our video lessons in Math 4. We are now in Quarter 2, Week 1 and 2. The reference that I'm using is Math for Life 4. It can be found on page 48. I'm your teacher, Marilu Iswelio, and our objectives for this lesson is to find LCM and LCD using the prime factorization method. Please prepare the following: ball pen and paper. This is the sample worksheet paper that you may use. Our first topic is all about LCM, or least common multiple. The LCM is the smallest common multiple of two or more numbers. There are two ways to get the LCM: the listing method and the prime factorization method. Listing method. Step 1. List down the non-zero multiples of the numbers. Step 2. Bring down the common multiples. Step 3. Identify the least common multiple. Example: find the LCM of 2 and 3. Let's apply the step 1. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Now, let's apply the step 2. Bring down the common multiples, which are 6 and 12. Now, let's apply the step 3. Identify the least common multiple. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Proceed to prime factorization method. Step 1. Write the prime factors of each number. Step 2. Bring down the common prime factors and also the prime factors which are not common to both numbers. Then multiply them. Example: find the LCM of 6 and 9. Let's apply the step 1. The prime factors of 6 are 2 times 3, and the prime factor of 9 is 3 times 3. Now, let's apply the step 2. Bring down the common prime factors and also the not common prime factors. So, the prime factors are 2 times 3 times 3. So, let's multiply 2 times 3 equals 6 and 6 times 3 equals 18. Therefore, the LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. We can also determine the LCM of the numbers by applying these rules. Number 1. If the numbers are prime, the LCM can be obtained by just multiplying them. Example: the prime factors 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Therefore, the LCM of 2 and 3 is equals 6 is 6. Rule number 2. If the bigger number is a multiple of the smaller number, the LCM is the bigger number. Example: 6 and 12. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, and 18. Notice that 12 is a multiple of 6. Therefore, the LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. Rule number 3. If the two given numbers have a difference of 1, their LCM is equal to their product. Example, 5 and 4. 5 and 4 has a difference of 1. Let's get their product. 5 times 4 is equals 20. Therefore, the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Rule number 4. The LCM of two consecutive odd numbers is their product. Example, 3 and 5 are the two consecutive odd numbers. Let's multiply 3 and 5, and the product is 15. Therefore, the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Let's try this. Activity 1. Answer the following and write it in your paper. Number 1. List down all the steps in getting the LCM using listing method and prime factorization method. Number 2. Find the LCM of 12 and 18 using prime factorization method. Show your complete solution. Let's proceed to topic number 2. LCD, or least common denominator. The least number that can be used as a denominator for two unlike fractions. The LCD is found by identifying the LCM of the two denominators. For example, find the LCD of 1/6 and 5/9. The two denominators of these fractions are 6 and 9. Let's use the same steps in getting the LCD using listing method. The multiples of number 6 are 6, 12, 18, and 24. While the multiples of number 9 are 9, 18, 27, and so on. The least common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18. Therefore, their LCD is 18. Example number 2. Find the LCD of 1/6 and 5/9 using prime factorization method. The prime factors of 6 is 2 times 3, and the prime factors of number 9 is 3 times 3. Now, the prime factors of 6 and 9 are 2 times 3 times 3, and the LCD is 18. Let's proceed to activity 2. Find the LCD of the following. Show your complete solution and write it on your paper. Number 1. Find the LCD of 28 and 32 using listing method. Number 2. Find the LCD of 36 and 54 using prime factorization method. Remember, please keep all your answer sheets and submit it to your teacher every Monday after 2 weeks. That's all for our lesson, and our video lesson has ended. Thank you for listening, and goodbye!